This is it. The first 50 minutes of year 2007. And here I am in London. Look at this. It's like a riot. So many people. And this is Stephanie. She's molested countless times today. And this is Jin Long, longing for his first cheese this year. That is his New Year resolution. So many people, scary.